Should I buy a used truck scale? When you're in the market for a used truck scale, everyone wonders, is this really the right way to go? Actually, many people before you have gone this route, only to pay significantly more money to repair the scale and replace components that weren't covered under warranty. Meanwhile, others that run very few trucks a day have ended up just fine. In this video, we will explore the main items to look for so you can make an informed decision and feel confident about the choice you end up making. One of the first considerations is if the used truck scale has a concrete deck or a steel deck. The concrete deck is much heavier, causing a significant increase to the cost for removal since a much larger crane will be needed. You will also incur significantly higher shipping costs related to the same thing as well. Concrete decks may take 3 to 4 trucks to move the scale to a new location. For the most part, a steel deck truck scale can be stacked on one flatbed with a standard, everyday use type crane. The next consideration is the condition of the used scale. There are some questions that can assist in determining the current condition. What is the age of the truck scale? The older the scale typically means more wear and more trucks that have driven over it, applying stress to even the areas that you can't visibly see. How do the welds look? Look for any cracks in the welds or separation between the beams in the deck. Unless you are able to weld in the field, stay away from a scale with broken welds. Is there tire wear on the deck? Ruts in the tire path are not able to be repaired and are never going to improve with more traffic. These ruts can also signify significantly heavier loads or more traffic than the scale was intended to see. Is there any rust? Much like ruts in the steel, rust is never going to improve with time. If you are putting this scale in the snow and ice or in a saltwater environment, then you need to consider the accelerated corrosion that an already rusted scale will see. Can you locate the manufacturer of the truck scale for foundation drawings? Make sure the manufacturer is still in business so you can get parts for the scale and foundation drawings to help you pour your foundation. Example drawings might include installation with piers, installation with deep pit foundation and installation on slab. Next thing to consider is the condition of the components. Is the truck scale currently operational? If not, plan on spending significant money to replace components and add other electronics that may have been lost or damaged in storage. Parts to look for include load cells with load cell cables, weight indicator, and remote display that would go with the truck scale. As for warranties, truck scale warranties are typically transferable as long as the required maintenance has been upheld from owner to owner. However, if the used truck scale is over 5 years old or older, you should probably plan on the warranty no longer being intact. This means paying out of pocket for all cabling, load cells, indicators and anything else that can go wrong. You should also consider that an older truck scale without newer, digital load cells can be more susceptible to lightning and power surges. These are events that should be covered under the warranty period but are very costly both in replacing components and in downtime for your company if they are not covered. Generally speaking, if you are running a lighter operation with less than 30 trucks per day and you are comfortable with the history of the used scale you are looking at, you should explore the used truck scale option. If the scale looks good, is fully functional, and was manufactured by a reputable company, that used scale is something that should be considered along with the benefits of purchasing a brand new truck scale as well. Contact the sales team at Central Carolina Scale for scale recommendations by visiting centralcarolinascale.com.